Hey guys, Troy and Pam Van Dyke here, and we are here with Mark J, the world's laziest network marketer, 7-figure earner. Boom, we're so excited.
Yeah, on Kauai, Hawaii.
Yeah,
we're having a great time. And basically, if you are considering a home-based business, you definitely want to talk to these two. They know how to have fun.
Yeah.
And there's nothing
Kauai.
Yeah.
There's nothing more attractive than having fun and making money. But that's not how you succeed in network marketing. We just spent a week studying the real key to the business and how Davey and myself were able to succeed. They've picked it up faster than most people do. The objective of the business is not to sponsor more people. You don't need to sponsor a lot of people. You need to be on the right team, because the objective of the business is
building teams without you.
right. So your check goes up without any effort from your partner. Of course, you have to set that up. You have to learn how to do it, and they're going to show you how, because they're going to give it to you hands-on. Hands-on support. Now, anybody can say that we have a good team, but what really distinguishes a good team? Well, why you should get in touch with Troy or Pam or both of them is simple. They're going to get you a full color profile done on yourself. And what that's going to do is they're going to be able to show you what your strengths are. She's going to be able to show you what your weaknesses are, and you'll be able to know what you need from a team. Now, they're going to be able to give it to you. Well, let's face it, a lot of good companies out there. You need to be on the right team, because the objective is teams that build teams without you. Here's the secret that nobody tells you. Duplication can't be taught. It is caught with
hands-on training,
hands-on support. And if those people know where your strengths are and weaknesses are, because they've studied profiling and they know exactly how to help people get around their weaknesses and build to their strengths, which is what you really want, now you have a team that can actually help you succeed, covering your weaknesses, showcasing your strengths. And with these guys, what you get to do is go on cruises.
Yeah!
Which is awesome.
Living for a lifetime.
All right. Peace be the journey.
Mahalo.